Hello everyone. Today we are going to go through alternating characters, which is a problem on the string section of algorithm on HackerRank. So without wasting time, let us have a look on the problem statement. So here is the problem statement. You are given a string containing characters A and B only. Your task is to change it into a string such that there are no matching adjacent character. To do this, you are allowed to delete 0 or more character in the string. Your task is to find the minimum number of required deletion. So let us have some example. We have this string. This string contains AA, B, AA, and B. So we can see that we have adjacent character here, A and A. So we should delete one of them. We do have a adjacent character here again, A and A. So we need to delete one. So at the end, we are going to delete one here, just one A will remain. We are going to have the B, and here we are also going to delete one, and at the end we are going to have the B. So to achieve that we perform two deletion. So the whole idea here is to find a substring with continuous character that are equal and replace it with one character. So delete all the others. So how can we achieve that? How can we code that? So I'm going to share with you two approaches of coding that. The first one will be using just simple loop. What we are going to do is that we are going to loop through the string, and if we find if we find a character that is equal to the previous character, that means that character needs to be deleted. And since we don't actually care about the final string, we can just count the character that need to be deleted and return it. We don't actually need to delete the character. So what does it look like? It will look like I'll have a result. And I will say, okay, for int e equal to 0, equal a size. So if you find a string, like if s of I is equal to s of I minus 1, right? And what you're gonna say is you're gonna increment your result, and here you can return the result. It's important to understand that here you need to start at 1 because you are trying to access I minus 1, so you don't want to find yourself out of range. So basically what is this doing is, okay, let me take an example, for instance, for this string. So let us take maybe this string. We have AA, B, AA, B. So what you will do, you will start here. Is the second element equal to the first one? Yes. Then we count this as an element we count this as an element we need to delete. We move here. Is the third one equal to the second? No, we move for one. Is A equal to the previous one? No. Is this A equal to the previous one? Yes. So we count it as element we need to delete. And at the end of our loop, we are going to have this one and this one. So that is 2. So let us run this and see what it gives. So let us submit. So we have everything green. So that is one way of solving this. Another way of solving this is using regex. So how can you take it? You can take it like this. Say, okay, what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna replace any group, any substring of more than 2 character, or more than 2 character A or more than 2 character B with any letter of my choice. And at the end, I will count the size of the original letter minus the size of the string after performing the regex replace operation. What will it look like? So we can say, okay, I can comment this out, and I'll say I need to create the regex first. So the rejects will look like yeah, array. So you say any, if you have, this means if you have A 2 or more times, or if you have B 2 or more times. So this is my reject. If you match A 2 or more time, or if you match B 2 or more time, then I need to perform some operation. So what am I supposed to do exactly? I need to perform a reject replace. I need to replace in my given string. I need to replace the element that match my reject with any character of my choice. I can say, okay, let me replace it with a star. And since I don't actually care about the result of the reject, but instead the size of it, so I should try to access the size because it's a string. And I can directly return s.size minus this. Let us submit and see what it gives. So we see how a congratulations and everything going. So I hope you enjoy those approaches. I really encourage you to subscribe to do not miss this next set of video that we are sharing in this channel. And if the video we are doing is actually helping you, I would really appreciate if you can put a message and say thanks, or maybe share with me an approach that would be more comfortable for you to have the best of the video, so for me to really put out the best content. Okay, so thanks for your attention. See you on the Thursday for the next video. All right, ciao.